Hey, so let's understand the AIGP exam in this video. What exactly is this thing that everyone is talking about? First, let's look at the full form. AIGP stands for Artificial Intelligence Governance Professional, and this is very different from your regular AI certifications like the Google Machine Learning Engineer one or Microsoft Azure AI certification because the focus here is not on designing, building, or deploying AI. Rather, the focus is on controlling AI, on how it is developed and used so that the risk associated with it can be managed. So, in a way, it's the exact opposite, right? Now that we understand what AI governance is, let's learn a bit more about this exam. The AIGP exam was released in April 2024 by IAPP. IAPP stands for International Association of Privacy Professionals. It's in fact the world's largest information privacy organization. And this org was already well known for its privacy certifications like CIPP, CIPM, CIPT. And with AIGP, it got even more spotlight. Now let's understand the format of the AIGP exam. AIGP exam is 3 hours long with an optional 15 minutes break included. That means if you don't take the break, you will have 2 hours and 45 minutes. This means you have to attempt 100 questions in 2 sets. Each set has 50 questions and these are multiple choice questions with one correct option, except for a few where it's clearly mentioned that more than one answer may be correct. Now let's understand the scoring. The exam is scored on a scale of 100 to 500 and you need 300 marks to pass. Out of the 100 questions, 15 are unscored and 85 are scored, but you don't know which ones are which. If your score across the 85 scored questions reaches 300 or above, you pass the exam. And the good thing is that there is no negative marking and there is no sectional cutoff. But now let's look at the syllabus. The syllabus of this exam is called the Body of Knowledge or BOK. It's like the Bible for this exam because it's a highly structured and organized syllabus with great detail. Let's first understand what's actually in AIGP through Bloom's taxonomy. If you're not familiar, Bloom's taxonomy is a very popular framework used to classify educational learning objectives in an increasing order of difficulty. As you can see in the diagram, the AIGP body of knowledge mostly focuses on the remember, understand, and the apply, analyze levels. Now let's understand the syllabus at a high level. So there are total 4 domains. First domain is on understanding the foundations of AI governance. It has 3 competencies and carries 16 to 20 marks. Then understanding how laws, standards and frameworks apply to AI. This domain has 4 competencies and carries 19 to 23 marks. Then the third domain is understanding how to govern AI development. This is about how to govern an AI system. If you are building it from scratch, you should know how the entire life cycle works end to end. This has 3 competencies and carries 21 to 25 marks. Then finally we have understanding how to govern AI deployment and use. This is about how to govern an existing model you are selecting or deploying, whether open source or from a vendor. So this has 3 competencies and carries 21 to 25 marks. Clearly the last 2 domains have the highest weightage. Best part, if your internet connection is good, you can take this exam from the comfort of your home on any day. Otherwise, the option to go to the test center is also available. Typically, major syllabus changes happen only once a year, around Jan-Feb period. Minor changes may happen throughout. I hope this gave you a very good understanding of the exam. If you are feeling excited after this, then this is the right time to go for it. See you on the other side soon.